Since the days of yore, the Judicial Gardens have served as the citadel for open congregational prayer for worshippers of the Ahmadiyya Muslim faith in the one municipality. Present at the gardens for the 2 rakat prayer were persons from all walks of lives, including politicians from all sides of the political divide, the young and the old, and persons with mobility challenges, some of whom were wheeled there. Our Power Sunnah missionary of the Ahmadiyya movement in Islam, Maulvi Abdul Nasser Baghi, led a prayer that lasted for about 5 minutes.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
He then followed it up with the Eid sermon, where he urged Muslims to draw lessons from the sacrifice made by Prophet Abraham to Allah.
And sacrifices are very essential. So, but when it comes for us to sacrifice for the sake of God, God does not let it go God let it go in vain. It does not perish our sacrifice. He bless those who make it, and we should be seeing that one, our commitment with our fellow human beings, with our country, our nation, that where it is required for us to make a sacrifice, we shouldn't hesitate. We should rather do so and serve the society, the community that we are living in. And moreover, when we do that one, we are doing the service to God.
Our Power Sunnah Minister Charles Wong Opposing Esquire reiterated the commitment of the government in a speech read on his behalf by the Chief Director at the Upper Sudan Coordinating Council, Pogna Haji Fatih Sakuri, to fix major roads in the region and beyond for easy access and to increase trade and commerce in the region.
I am pleased to announce that our region is fortunate to be among the first list of beneficiaries of this initiative, where major roads to be considered include the Wa Tumu Bolga Trunk Road, Techima Wenchi Bole Wa Road, and the upgrading of roads in Wa East, Nadoli Kaleo, Dafiama Buse Isa, and the Sisala districts. Funds have already been allocated for this program, and very soon we will see contractors on these roads.
The abuse of substance and drugs by the people, especially among the youth, could not escape mention by the Upper Sunnah Minister, calling on community leaders, parents, and teachers to educate the youth dangers of the abuse of these illicit substances and drugs.
This illicit abuse of drugs and substances such as opioids, stimulants, cannabis, and tramadol is a challenge that undermines the potential of our youth and disrupts families and communities. These substances and drugs have severe physical, emotional, and social consequences, including health problems, cognitive impairment, mood changes, and decreased productivity. I urge parents, teachers, and community leaders to utilize every available platform to educate and sensitize our youth about the dangers of substance abuse.
A view agreed Hookland and Sinker by a former lawmaker of the Wa East constituency, Amin Salifu.
Decrease productivity, it affects the health of individuals, it affects families, it destroys families. And we will continue to appeal to the youth and sundry, every single person. If you know people that are seriously involved in this, please try to advise them to desist from this.
Director General of the Ghana Maritime Authority and retired naval captain Dr. Kamaldeen Ali had same thoughts, but put it differently.
So what we are often looking for is quick fix. We want to achieve things in a very quick way. Yet the nature of human being is that you have to develop yourself over time, and you have to search for skills for yourself. So given that Eid is a period of sacrifice, I will entreat our youth in particular, both genders, male and females, to use this as a reflection to continue to sacrifice themselves in learning skills, in learning trade, and developing themselves so that collectively we can contribute to the development of our communities, our families, and most importantly, our country.
Some of the celebrants also share their thoughts on the Eid Al-Adha.
This Eid is all about excitement, being united with people that you have not seen for quite a long time. So here, I think I have seen lots of people I've never seen in a year, and I'm so happy, friends, relatives, and other people.
I'm particularly happy because there's been reduction in the cost of rice, oil, and other merchandise. And I'm happy that we've been able to have more animals, to slaughter and then to, give people who are, poor in the society. Alhamdulillah, I would say I'm happy with this Eid.
Ishmael and his father Abraham made to God. So it's just a reminder of the sacrifice and to encourage us to make such sacrifices.
I've learned that the youth, we have to adhere to the rules. We have to adhere to our leaders. When they speak to us, we have to make sure we listen to them so that we can be good citizens in the society.
Reporting for J News, Rafik Salam. Wow.